The Atomic Spectra, Unit 18, Physics, Class 12. Question 1. What is the wavelength of radiation emitted when a hydrogen atom undergoes a transition from to answer 103 nanometer? Question 2. When find the wavelength of the first line in the limit series of hydrogen, answer 121.5 nanometer. Question 3. The accretion potential of hydrogen is 10.2 volt. What is the cross-bending wavelength? Answer 121.5 nanometer. Question 4. What series does the line with a wavelength of 434 nanometer belong to? Answer Wilmar. Question 5. What is the energy of photon corresponding to a wavelength of 300 nanometer? Answer 4.14 electron wavelength. Question. What is the wavelength of the third line in the Lyman series of hydrogen? Answer 97.2 nanometer. Question 7. Calculate the energy of a photon with a frequency of answer 4.14 electron volt. Question 8. Which series of the hydrogen spectrum lies in the ultraviolet region? Answer Lyman. Question 9. In which region of the spectrum does the Billiram series lie? Answer Question 10. The wavelength of the transition in the Billiram series is answer 434. Question 11. Which series of the hydrogen spectrum lies in the infrared region? Answer Paschen. Question 12. What is the energy difference between end states in hydrogen? Answer 10.2 electron volt. Question 13. The wavelength of the first line in the Billiram series is approximately answer 486.1 nanometer. Question 14. What is the minimum energy required to exert an electron in a hydrogen atom from the ground state? Answer 13.6 electron voltage. Question 15. The spectral line with a wavelength of 656.3 nanometer corresponds to which series? Answer Wilmar. Question 16. What is the energy of the photon emitted during the transition in hydrogen? Answer 2.55 electron volt. Question 17. Which hydrogen series involves transition ending 8? Answer Paschen. Question 18. The energy of an electron in the state of hydrogen is approximately answer 3.4 electron volt. Question 19. What is the inner energy of hydrogen? Answer 13.6 electron. Question 20. What is the wavelength of light emitted in the to transition in hydrogen? Answer 103 meter. Question 21. What does the lines spectrum represent? Answer emission spectrum. Question 22. What is emitted when an electron falls to a lower energy level? Answer light. Question 23. What spectrum is produced when light passes through a gas? Answer absorption spectrum. Question 24. What spectrum is produced by a heated gas? Answer emission spectrum. Question 25. Which atom spectrum is used as reference? Answer hydrogen atom. Question 26. What determines an element's identity? Answer atomic number. Question 27. What are quantized in an atom energy? Answer energy levels. Question 28. What are regions of space where electrons are most likely to be found. Answer orbits. Question 29. What gases spectra lines in an atom? Answer electron transition. Question 30. What is the lowest energy states of an atom? Answer ground state.